Zukowski from Franklin Real Estate Partners, and I wanted to talk to you today about investing in traditional markets like the stock market or mutual funds or bonds with traditional investment firms versus taking control of your money and self-directing it into alternative assets like residential real estate. That's what we do. We help investors invest in residential real estate without doing any of the work. So what you're probably most familiar with is giving money to a financial planner or a stockbroker or an investment firm, and they go ahead and direct your money into the appropriate securities. And usually they'll diversify that so your money's not heavily loaded in one thing or another. But let's just talk about, to simplify this, let's just talk about a stock for a second. Let's say you buy a stock in XYZ company and you buy it at $100 and it goes up to $110. You make $10 per share. Well, in order to realize that profit, you have to go ahead and sell the share to get your profit. It's a killing the golden goose scenario. What if you just want to keep it and say it's going to go from 110 to 150? But then it doesn't. It goes to 90 and then it goes to 105. Well, you see what happens. There's volatility that happens. There's market shifts that happens. And when do you actually get to see your profit and realize it? Only when you sell that asset off. We give an avenue for you to invest where you can get real, tangible income on a monthly basis. Or if you're strictly just looking for growth, we can help you do that and grow it predictably. That's a very important point I want to make to you. Predictability. If we tell you there's a percent yield that you're getting on your investment, it's predictable. You know what you're getting into. When you go to your stockbroker or you go to your financial planning firm and you ask them what they're going to get you, they're going to say, we're shooting for this target range. And only when the dust settles, you know if you did better or worse. So wouldn't you like to have a little bit more control over your investments? A little bit more say and predictability and knowing what you're going to get as a return? We can help with that. Tell us a little bit about your situation. Tell us what investments you're currently invested in, what type of returns you traditionally get, the type of risk levels that your money is in. Is it very safe and growing slowly, or are you really aggressive and looking for just a little bit better yield? So we can use that information to help tailor an investment plan within residential real estate to help you achieve your long-term goals. Contact us today.